Now we're going to be adding the like functionality to a comment component. How do we do this? Well, remember we already have our comments. Over here we can see the number of comments and different comments, right, for this blog post. But we want to have the ability to like a comment and see the number of likes. To do this, let's do this one more time. Now it's time to add a like functionality. Do it again. Now it's time to add a like functionality to the comment component. In the last video, we finished up creating the comments, and you can see these comments are over here. Now we want the ability to like a comment and also view the number of likes a particular comment has. To go about this, we'll go to the server, we'll go to the routes, we'll go to the comment.route.js, and over here we're going to create a new route for comments. So let's just go here and we'll hit a router.put post, because this is also another one. So actually this is not going to be post, because post means to create one time, but a number of likes could change over and over, so it's put. Okay, and then we could say like comment. Okay, and then we need actually something. We need the comment ID so that we know which comment are we talking about, right? And now that we have all of that, we have to do one thing. We have to verify if the user is right, and then we'll be able to get the comment. So we will be able to like a comment only if the user is verified. And then we have like comment component controller over here. So we have to go to the controllers, and we have to go to the comment controller. Over here we have the comment like comment. So over here we're gonna have export const like comment. So yeah, and then we have this one semicolon. Okay, so over here let's first of all go here and control space like comment. So you see like comment has been added. Now let's go to the comment controller, and over here we're just gonna simply add a try and catch. So try, catch. In the catch we have the next error. Okay, and in the try what we'll do is we basically have const comment is equal to await comment. Okay, and then we have dot find by ID. Okay, now check this out. We have the comment, so it's basically await comment find by ID, and you want to find the comment. To find the comment, you could basically have the request dot params dot params dot comment ID coming from the URL. So I hope you understood this part right here. This is super simple. What happens is that, okay, so one thing I made a mistake here. We don't need double quotes because we have just a single thing. So that's why we don't need it. So what we want to do is we want to first find the comment from the database based on the ID. Okay, based on the comment ID. We get the comment, right? Then we have to see if actually that comment didn't exist. So if I got like if that comment doesn't exist, okay, what we could do is we could just return next, and then we could have the error handler and say 404 comment not found. Okay, and then we have const user index. Okay, and this is basically the comment. Now remember there is a model. The comment has a particular fields. So comment had the likes. This was an array of the users that liked the comment. So that's find index of. So we basically have to find the user's index. So if the person liked the comment already or not. So we could say request.user.id. This is coming from the cookie. So we're getting the request.user.id, verify token. So we're first seeing that if the person already liked the comment or not, and we're checking it through inside the likes index, likes array inside of our model. So remember in the model, if you go here, that we have a comment model, and over here we had this likes. This was an array, okay, of type string. So basically it's the number of IDs. It's going to contain all user IDs who liked a particular comment. So we check over here. Okay, we check if the index of, it's going to return an index whether it's existing or not. If it's not existing, it's going to give an index of -1. So it basically gives an index of -1. Okay, like this. Okay, and then if it's not in the existing, like the person hasn't liked it yet, we could basically have it set so that it could like it. So, you know, liking that is really simple as well. So what you could do is, first of all, you could say comment dot number of likes. This is also another field. Remember, this is just telling how many likes there are. So increase it by 1, and then add it into the into the list, or the, you know, whatever you call it. This is the list, so, you know, or the array. So add it to the likes array, that particular user ID. So we basically push the user ID, request dot user dot ID in here. Okay, that's super cool. If the person somehow this one was when the person never liked a comment, and now it's liking it for the first time. And this is when the person already liked the comment and you want to now dislike it, right? So this is going to be, okay, so first of all, you want to actually dislike it. So you want to say number of likes to minus equal to 1, like this. And then we have comment dot likes dot splice. This is how you take it out from the list. So we have user index. Well, where is this coming from? Well, that's the user index. You basically go to that index and you have to, you know, get 1 out of it. So basically you're taking out that, and this is gonna take it out from the list. That's good. Now we have to save this new state. So we have comment, this new change we want to do is, you know, save it at the end, basically save it like this. And then we could return, you know, a status 200, and then we say it's not 200, and then we say JSON comment. Okay, so that's all good. This is the entire API for creating a comment. So format document, you can see this is how we create like a comment and dislike it. Now we have to go to our front end, and we got to go to the components. So if you go to the source components, remember there was a comment section. So comment section, we go here, and over here what see is that we had this comments, and we're using this component, right? Comment key, and then we comment based on the comment info. Now what we want to do in this comment section is, you know, pretty simple stuff. We want to first of all handle the like. Okay, so what's happening is that we have a comment section, and what we want to do is we want to you know, where our thing is passed in, so we want to have these props, right? So we have key comment dot underscore ID, and then the entire comment info, and then we want on like. So this like is a prop. It's going to be passing this function which is called handle like. Okay, now this handle like doesn't exist. We're going to have to create this handle like. So let's create it on top right here. Okay, so handle like is pretty simple. You know, how we're going to do about this is basically, how we're going to go about this is pretty simple. We're going to have a const handle like this is equal to asynchronous like this, and we have comment ID. Okay, perfect. And then we have over here. So how we could do this, we have a comment ID for the handle like. So you know, we could basically now go about this and, you know, get this. So let's go here. So handle like, got the comment ID, and now we have a try and a catch. Okay, so in the catch, normally you would basically console.log error.message. Okay, in the try, what we're going to do is we have if the you know, the current user doesn't even exist. So we have to actually add this right now as well, because this is not going to exist. And then we can just return, right? So where's this current user? Does it exist? Let's see. We already have the uselector, which is perfect. Okay, so what we have is that if the current user is not there, so you can basically navigate to the sign in page. So /sign in. Okay, and I believe we're gonna have to get this navigate. Okay, do we have it? Let's see. Okay, so we don't have this. So over here we have use navigate, link use navigate, and then we have over here we could just simply have const navigate is equal to use navigate, and then we're using navigate here. Okay, so that's good. And then we have this check over here. So that's done. Now we basically try to call this API const response await fetch, and then we have backticks slash API slash comment slash like comment, and then we have the ID, right? So this is basically the comment ID. Okay, now one thing you want to be making sure that this is basically there. This comment ID is the ID of the comment. Okay, so on like it's going to contain this comment ID as well when you pass it to a comment section. So you'll to the comment component. So just wait, you'll see all of this. So this comment ID exists, and then after that we have this post method. So method, sorry, not post, but put method, which is an update. Okay, and then we don't need any headers because we're just updating it. So we basically have this semicolon, and then we have if the response is okay, we essentially have the data, we convert it to data. So response in JSON, and now we have response.json, and then we have set comment. Remember the state that we created, set comments. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to have the comment, the new one, and you want to basically have the changes incorporated with it. So what we have here is the comment dot underscore ID, okay, and that has to equal the comment ID. Okay, if that is equal, what you would do is you would actually first of all get the original comment, okay, include the likes as data.likes. Remember, we're basically getting the new likes, and we're getting the original comment, but we're also getting the number. So likes is basically the not the number of likes, but it's the like array, having the user IDs, right, of people who liked the comment, and then the of likes. So over here we have of likes, like that. So number of likes, and then we have data dot number of likes. This is from the fresh new. You could actually do number of likes like this, or you could just say likes, right? Basically, the likes array, and then you could just say dot length. Both are okay, so you could have both give you the same value. And then we have the colon. If not, nothing. If there's no change, just return with the existing comment string, whatever the existing stuff is, if there was no liking functionality done. Okay, so that is done. Set comment, and then we essentially have that created. 1 minute. So round bracket. Okay, so we have the comment created. Those are all good. So we have map right here. So and then we have set comments. So set comments has this map. Okay, I think I did one thing wrong. Over here we need one more, and then we have this. Okay, so over here we have comment, and then in here we have this bigger one, set comments, and then we have this, and then we have the. Okay, I think it's all good. So format document, and then we have this comment being passed in like this. So over here we have the, just 1 second. So we have this comment, comments.map comment, and then all this. Yeah. So we have this on like handle like. Let's go to the comment component. So this is the comment component, and we have this button, which is going to be over here. So right here we want to add a button that we could see right now. Let me just verify something. So let's go back here, zoom out, refresh one more time. Okay, okay. So, I mean, we basically don't have the ability to like something. So I can't actually do anything until I, particularly like it. So I'm gonna create a small option here to like a comment, and then it's gonna track it using an on change. So comment, and let's, after this paragraph, we want to have a button. So let's have a div, and then in the div we want a button. Okay, and then the button would have a the icon, which is FA font awesome, thumbs up, and then we have the class name set to text small. Okay, that's good. Let's import this. It has to be imported on the top. So import FA thumbs up from font awesome. Right now you'll see that it will contain like buttons. We need to track them because there's no call. Okay, so what I want to show you is that we have the button should actually be like this. So we have a button, but it should be like this. So this button has a type button on click. So on click, on like, okay. And this is the on like comment underscore ID. It's basically that prop we passed in. So right here, which is right, come on. In this, this comment, we have on like as well. So on like. You might be asking like where, well, remember on like we passed and a like function. So the function is being called from our other component. It's insane, right? And it's completely valid. We call it on like, we pass in our comment underscore ID. We got it because it's being accessible here. So we get the comment underscore ID, which is amazing. And we call this function, and based on it, we would now customize the color. So if the current user is valid, so I believe the current user is over here. No. So we're gonna have to add one more thing, which is use selector. So import use selector from React Redux, and then we have current user. So we have const current user, and then we have, okay. Now I want to show you that if the current user is valid, we have comment.likes.includes, then we have the current user underscore ID. That's amazing. So basically it's saying if the current user valid, and also this likes array contains this user IDs, then you want to have this blue. Basically you want to have it, when you click on it, it's going to be text blue. So this is exactly what it's saying. Let's show how this comes in action. So it means like if I already liked the comment. So let's see. Let's try to like this comment. So let's go to inspect console. We had an issue in the beginning, but now if I refresh this page, okay, I'm getting the IDs. Essentially you go to remove these console logs. So there's like this user one. In the comment section, do we have anything? We might have a log. Let's see. Yeah, comments. Okay. So now we're just testing out the like feature. So let's go here. This is our button, like button. So let's go here. Okay. So we're also gonna add in text later on, but right now let's just see. So I click on this like. You can see I got an issue. It says like comment 404 not found. Okay, so let's go to the network tab, and you see over here we got a 404 issue not found. Okay, this is not good. I mean, we got a/API/comment like comment, and then we have the ID of the comment. So let's visit this. I mean, let's see what's happening here. Let's refresh this page one more time. Okay, and let's like this comment again. Okay, it says put slash API slash comment slash like comment. This is coming from comment section, line number 70. Comment section, line number 70. Okay, so it might be because of our API maybe. So we have like comment, like comment. Okay, so slash APIs slash like comment. I think it's like that, like comment and then comment ID. So slash API slash comment, like comment. I want to see in the index.js. So index.js is going to be over here. So over here you see API comment. It looks good. So API comment, like comment, and then we have, oh, what is this? We didn't have this. Okay, so that was the issue. Slash. And now I believe it's going to work. So wait a minute, what am I doing? Okay, so let's refresh one more time. Like. Okay, nothing happened here. Network. We have a slash API. Like comment worked. Over here we have a, it worked here. API comment, like comment. It says 200 okay. Response also another comment. Yeah, I liked on it. So, my user ID is passed in here. The number of likes is equal to 1. Click on it one more time. There's another call right afterwards. And then the number of likes turns to 0. But you can't basically see this. Wait a minute, let me see. You can't basically see this like. Yeah. So we're going to have to make this a little more prominent. Let me just go here. So everything is working, which is awesome. But what we want to see is that this is not being that prominent. So we have on like, and then we have class name, and then we have all of this. And we also have a paragraph tag. So this is going to be about the, 1 minute. So right after this button, you could have the paragraph. So we have a class name text grade 400, comment dot number of likes if it's greater than 0, and number of likes. So basically, if the likes are greater than 0, then you could show the number of likes, plus you could add the like, or if it's equal to 1, just have like, and if it's plural, like there's more than one like, then you could say likes. I hope that this is gonna work. Let's see. Unfortunately, right now it's not it's not working. Let me restart. No, everything is working here. Sign out and log in maybe. Sign out. Okay, I signed out. But back here, it doesn't redirect you anywhere, which is okay. Try to like. Okay, when you try to like it, it goes to the sign-in page. That's good. Let's go here. Okay, so let's just go quickly to the login. Okay, now let's go to the posts. So let's go to the profile, posts, random. Okay, now try to, okay, we have dash post. We also need a key unique thing. And let me just fix this right now. So in each child, which one is it? Dash post. So go to so line number 86. It's in the components, dash posts right here. Oh man. So dash post, where are you? Okay. So just want to fix this up. We have line number 86, I believe. Okay. So over here we have table. Okay. So we have this current user .isadmin, and then it has like a map. This one. So you see this user post .map post. Just add in a key. And then you could have post dot underscore ID. I believe it's like this. Yeah. See? Okay, I believe the comment issue is going to be gone. Okay, so now let's try to like again one more console. Okay, it's it's basically not displaying, but it works here. You can see my likes does increase, and then when I, you know, it basically then creates another response, and then it says, you know, no number of likes 0. First it turns 1 and then 0. I mean, it's working, but it's not being displayed properly here. So go to the not dash post. Let's go to the comment. So over here we have a div. So we got to basically put you know, some kind of styling here. So we'll put this as the styling. It just looks better. It's still not going to give you anything. To make sure you just always visit the last one. It's always the most updated response, but still not giving you any, you know, hover effect or any kind of light. On click, comment underscore ID. It does all of this thing. Current users, user selector. I'm trying to find an solution here. Essentially can't find anything right now. So we have a class name, text gray, 400 number of likes, and comment dot number of likes. I mean, we got all of this stuff, to be honest. I mean, I don't understand what's now gonna cause this issue. Okay, do we have the comment passed in? On click, on like. So we have a comment on like, and then of course it's basically being passed like that as well. Okay, so we'll continue on from the next part. We'll try to fix this issue that's appearing. You know, we're not able to have our comment. It is registering the like, so you know, it registers a like, but doesn't display it actually. Let me basically sign out and maybe log into another account. Let's see, I'll log into my coding account, so Coding Cleverly. So go to profile, posts. Okay, these are my posts. Okay, that's weird. And yeah, so yeah, I actually am a user as well, but I could only see my posts. So I'm gonna go to this one. So let's go here. No comments yet. And we're logged in as Coding Cleverly. This is awesome. So we'll say new comment, submit. So we have this account, you know, giving a comment. This is good. Click on it. It's going to give you the like for that. Okay, so let's sign out, and we'll just make sure we know this. So I'm just gonna sign out here. Sign out. Then we're gonna sign in with admin. I'm gonna go to the same post. because everyone could view it, right? So over here, we're gonna, see my icon because I liked it already. 1 like over there. You see this? This is working. So you can see that there's 1 like, and now should be 2 likes. Refresh the page, and now that's 2 likes, and now you can see it's also bold. Now it's actually highlighted. So we essentially need like an effect, use effect or something, to make it preserved all times. When I click on it, it should be all permanently there. So we have handle like, put, something like, just have it permanently there, and then it's gonna work properly. So exactly like that, handle like, let's see that part which was use effect. So handle like, comments happen. Handle submit. Yep. Okay. Then we have use effect, and we have handle like. Okay. So over here we have sign in, and we have put. Okay. Over here we have set comments. Comment. Comment, likes, number of likes. So it all looks good. But in the use effect, we also have the same stuff, to be honest. So we'll explore this a little more in detail. I mean, we got now the likes. It looks good. Sign out. Sign in. Admin. So I was admin actually. Admin. And we have post, profile, post, random post. Refresh. I liked it and then refreshed it, and then you can see that 1 like is preserved. So that's good. We're gonna add the edit functionality as well as the delete functionality to each comment, so that admin or even the user who commented could now edit or delete the comment, or as well, the admin could delete it. Let's do this one more time. Now it's time to add the edit and delete functionality to our comment section. So over here, if you go to the front end, we have the like functionality. We want the edit and delete so that the user could, edit or delete, or the admin could edit or delete. So let's go to the code, and let's just close all this out. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the controller. So if I go to the comment.controller and the routes. So comment. Let's open up this one, not model. So routes, which is not model. So actually it's routes, and then it's comment.route, and then we want comment.controller. Yeah, right here. So first of all, let's go here and let's add the things. So we're gonna do this with a little things extra. So let's show you. So the first one is router dot. So I'm gonna show this all in this video. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna have the edit functionality. It's almost kind of like the same thing like the like comment. So let's just copy this, and then we could just have, instead of like, you could have this hold alt, and then hold alt over here, and then you could just edit this and say edit. Okay, so this is edit comment. In the comment.controller.js file, you can basically have export const edit comment, and then basically, wait a minute, so add this squiggly bracket at the end, and then we could have this added like that. Okay, and then the same thing we want for the delete. So we have router, so we could just copy this, and then we have alt. Yeah, so we have delete, and this is delete comment. We'll have over here export const, and then we have delete comment. Okay, great. So let's go back here, import this as well, which is control space, control space, and then there you go. So we have edit and delete. Now let's go and first of all finish up the edit, and then we'll finish up the delete. This is all simple and easy stuff. So the edit is kind of like similar to the like one. So try, catch, next, error, okay? And then the try, we have, you know, the simple stuff. So we have comment. We could basically get that from the model. So await comment dot find by ID, and then if we find it using request dot params dot comment ID that you're passing in. If you don't find that comment, you could basically say, so you could just throw out the, you know, comment not found. So, you know, that's good. Then after that, you want to have the ability to only have, you know, the actual user. So comment dot user ID, you basically get that. And then that does not match the request dot user ID from the cookie, or and we have you know, and request dot user dot is admin. So if the person is not an admin, so essentially what you want to do here is you want to have return next, and then we have error handler, and you are not authorized to edit this comment. Okay, now it's time to edit the comment. So const edited comment, okay, and that is equal to await comment dot find by ID and update. Okay, and then we have over here so request dot params dot comment ID, and then in here, so right after that, we could have this, and then we have content dot, and then over here request dot body dot content. So what do you mean by here? 1 second, I just want to. So what I want to show you is that we're getting the find by ID and update. We get the params dot comment ID, and then we want to you know, get the data from the database, request.body.content, whatever we're going to pass through our request, we're going to try to save it in our database content. Okay, this is basically the content for each comment. And then we have new true. This means that it's going to only return the updated comment, right? Not the old one. So you could just have it like, you can have it like this as well. It's basically, it's going to return only the new comment, updated one. Okay, not the old one. So, and then we have, you know, you basically could cross this as like this. Okay, so after that we have the response dot status 200, and then we have JSON edited comment, exactly the same. This is our edit comment, and now we're gonna have the delete comment API. So delete comment is also super simple and easy. Again, you have a try and catch, you have next, and then we have error. Okay, and then over here we simply do the same thing. Const, we have comment is equal to await comment dot find by ID. Okay, request dot params comment ID. If the comment does not exist, and then we'd have return next error handler comment not found. Then if the comment dot user ID not equal to the request dot user ID. Okay, so basically this is if the comment dot user ID, right, from the database not equal to the cookie ID, or and the same, this is the same stuff, to be honest, request dot user, and then you could just say, you know, that. So exactly the same. You're not allowed to delete this comment. After you pass all these checks, you could have the await. So you could have await comment. Basically, you could have the comment like that dot find by ID. Well, do we have that? Find by ID, find by ID and delete, and we have request dot params dot comment ID. Response status 200 comment deleted successfully, and that's our API for deleting the comment. I believe everything is, you know, configured properly. We could go to our components here in the front end. So in here we have the comment.jsx file, which has got to be over here. This is comment section, and then the comment component, you know. So comment section. So first of all, let's go to the comment component. Okay, so in the comment component, you know, you basically have some things that you need to consider here. So if you go to the comment component here, we have the, let me just format document quickly. Okay, so we have here, we have the div, and then we have another div here, then we have a div here. Okay, so right here we could have you know, a div that only allows the current user. So we could have right after this paragraph, so right after this paragraph, we could have this. So first of all, we have to check if the current user exists. The current user, okay, if the current user persists, and then you can basically have the ampersands, and we say current user.id is equal to the current user ID, and the current user is an admin. So current user dot is admin. Okay. So what you could do here is you have this, and then you have current user like this in the bracket, like that. So we have current user, and we have current user dot underscore ID is equal to current user ID, or over here we have or. It could be either the user or the admin, and then we basically have this thing, and then we have colon this thing. Okay, I want to show you that if in a successful case, so I want to say that we basically don't have this. It's not a question. If it was like a question here, then it was going to be acting like a ternary operator, right? But because it's and, that means there's no need for a colon, okay? And then over here, we could simply have this button. So this could be removed. Let's just format document again. Come on, format document, where are you? Okay, so we have a current user, and we have a current user, and then we have button, edit, and then we have button for delete. Let's go over here. View page source, come on, what's happening? Inspect. First of all, we don't have handle edit. So where's the handle edit? If you look at this, it's calling handle edit. We have to create this handle and so we have to delete handle that. So, okay, over here we have use effect, const handle edit, handle edit. Okay. Okay. Now you can see over here we have edit button and delete button. Looks good. Okay, that's good. Now, you know, we could essentially like it too, but remember, it works on delete is not defined, on delete is not defined. So comment.jsx, again, we have to define on delete as well. So go here, const on delete. I believe we wanted an async here as well, A, S, Y, and C. Okay, so now you can see over here we have the comment like, and you know, everything looks to be functioning properly. This is the comment, remember the comment.jsx. Now what we have to do is we basically gotta fix this up. So we have the handle edit and the handle delete. So we have the handle edit. So you could have this simple thing. We have set is editing to true. Let's make a state for that. Is editing, set is editing, and then that could be initially false, and then we have to true, and then we have set edited content to comment.content. Okay, so we need edited content as well. So we have const edited content, and then we have edited content, and then we have set edited content, and then we have it set to initially we just have it to comment.content. So I could just have it to comment you know, the initial content. Okay, basically it's set to that. You know, first thing is set to false, and this is how handle edit would work, which is great. Okay, one thing I wanted to say is that over here we're gonna actually receive props. So you could see over here we have on like. So actually we don't need this hand on delete. I'll tell you the reason. We're basically getting that from the, you know, comment section. So we have on edit, and then we have on delete, like that. Okay, comment section over here. If you go to the comment section, we have this is the entire prop, remember? And over here we could just have the you know, handle edit and handle delete functionality. So right here, handle like. So we have const handle edit, and then we have async comment, edited comment. Okay, set comments. Okay, then we have comments dot map comment comment. So dot underscore ID is equal to the comment dot underscore. Okay, basically it says first the comment ID matches the, you know, existing comment in the database. If it does, get all the previous comments as it is, but set the new content to the edited comment. Okay, edited content, like that. Edited content right here. Okay, so that is basically it, and if not, then just leave it as original content. Okay, so this is the handle edit functionality. Same thing goes for handle delete. SYNC comment ID, again same stuff. We have set show model, and then we have false right now. I'll show you where we could bring this modal again. Remember that modal that we brought from dash pose? I'm gonna add that again. So we have a try, and then we have a catch here. Okay, so in the catch we could basically have, for this, delete console.log error.message. Okay, and then the delete part we could basically try to call the API. So over here we have const. So essentially right now we have set show modal, and then we have if the current user does not exist, we have navigate to the sign in page, like that, and then we have return from there. You can't delete basically, and if it's possible, then you basically await. You have the comment, delete comment, and then comment ID. You could pass in the method, which is put. Actually not put, it's a delete method. So come on, delete, and then we have if the response dot okay, and then we could have const data is equal to await response dot JSON. Okay, and then we have set comment, and then we have comments dot filter, like this, and then for each comment that you basically, now you don't want that comment, right? So you could say comment. Okay, comments, you're filtering it out, and you're saying I don't want the deleted comment displayed, so you have the comment ID. It does not should, if it matches, you know, don't bring that, rest bring everything. I believe that is all perfectly aligning, and you know, we're good to go here. And this is our handle delete functionality as well. This is super cool because now we could pass these as props here. So if you go to the the component, first of all, I would recommend getting the modal. So right above this, right here, you would paste this modal, because remember this was from Quillbyte. I'm sorry, not Quill, but this is from Flowbyte. Okay, so now we have all of this. Handle delete, comment to delete, everything looks good. We want to pass them as props now. Okay, so we have on like, same thing on edit, so on edit, handle edit, that's the function, and then we'll have on delete, and then we have comment, basically comment ID, I think it's like that, comment ID, and then we have set show modal, basically having this modal there to true if you want to delete something. Set comment to delete to that comment ID. We basically need to create this state now, because set comment to delete basically does not exist. So right here, we need to create that state. So we first of all have const show modal, and then we have that as false, and we also have const comment to delete, and we have set comment to delete null. Okay, I believe we have use navigate. So I believe, let's see what happens now. We're gonna have issues, of course. So the first issue we have is this thing is not defined. So let's just import that right here. I believe it's this page. What is it? Which page? It's in the comment section. Comment section. Okay. Import hi something outline exclamation. Okay. See what that. Okay, it brings everything back. Now we should have the ability to edit and delete. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have here edit, delete, looks good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try to edit this comment. Okay, we can't view it because right now there has to be some problem here, thing over here, but let's try to, because I have to actually put in the UI to edit the comment, and then it's going to be successful. But if you look at the delete, and if we say that, and if I refresh the page, nothing, the delete is not being triggered as well. So we'll fix this out. I mean, hopefully this is going to be deleted as well. Let's look at the console, network tab. So yeah, 304, we're getting 304s. So you can see over here. Okay, see 404. This says not found. So delete comment, this ID does not exist somewhere. So don't worry, we'll fix all of this out. So we have API user. Now that's not modified, but this is the cannot delete this ID comment. So we're gonna fix this out. Let's just go back here. Let's go to the comment here because we want to actually open this up. So it's actually in the comment.jsx file. So my recommendation is to save time, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna explain what's happening. So just one second, so that also I'm gonna be providing this all code hopefully as a GitHub. So it is there, but I'm just gonna push this so you could understand. Over here we have a comment. See this? We have a comment, on like, on edit, and on delete as props. Okay, we get these states. We have this use effect hook. Okay, and this use effect hook has the user. This was already taken care of for each comment, and the handle edit, handle save, and then we have the edit comment. There you go. So this is the function for saving the comment. So basically you pass this as edited content, and then set is editing to false, and then on edit comment and edited comment. So this is how this is working. So it's editing, and then this is gonna appear. And yeah, so now hopefully it should work. Let's see. If I click on edit, this opens up. Okay. If I click on delete, it refresh it. Still doesn't delete it. It's a problem with our API or something. So I'm trying to delete. Okay, no problem. But if I click on edit, I'm allowed to, okay, another comment just edited. Okay, save. Okay, we got an issue here. Isn't the console? So we have, yeah, type read properties of undefined. So let's see what happened here. Everything looks good. Comment section. Comment section has to be changed. Yeah. So let's go to the comment section. And over here we need to basically have this copied. This is important because just to save time, I'm having this handle submit. This is the handle submit for the form. This is for the use effect. Okay, for get post comments, and then we have handle like function to handle the like. Oh, we did all of this before. And then we have handle edit. Just wrote this one. Handle delete. Have this one as well. So we have comment, and then we have delete comment. So let's see over here. Delete comment, comment ID, comment ID. It looks good. I mean, everything looks good. So save and edit. So here we have div. Okay, so if it's editing, we have this. Okay, edit and delete, and we have the text area. If not, then we just view the comment like it's normally displayed, right? Okay, so you can see now it's just edited. You see that it's reflected, edit, edit. So edited. Okay, and if I save this, now it's edited. Great. Click on like. It's disliked. If I click on like, it remains the like. If I want to delete this comment, okay, so we have the delete comment 404 not found. Identified the issue that was happening with the comment, why it wasn't being found, and it's because we had to change this to delete, and now it should work. So let's go here, try to delete this new comment again, delete, and now it's deleted. New comment, delete this one, it's deleted. You can see now these are being successful, and you can see the message comment has been deleted, which is amazing and fantastic. Let's go over here, and I don't know why by line number 18 over here in the comment section we have the comment to delete. Let's just have this randomly removed, and now we're basically trying to debug that issue. But you can see now another comment just edited all these work. We have just 4 comments left. Go and edit this, delete, and you could just see simultaneously everything is being correctly done and looks good. I mean, everything looks good, and just 3 comments are left. So far this is amazing, and we got a lot of things done. I really like the part where you basically have this when you click on this, it's not liked, and when you click on it, it is liked. So this was essentially from the comment section. So over here, remember, you had this part where we have this characters remaining, right, 200 text, and then we have the text area, and this is the current user form where you could actually put your comment. But after that, remember that option where I'm saying how you could have that. So I'll show you that it's in the comment section. Let's go to comment. So in here we have this button, thumbs up. Okay, but the thing is, it's wrapped around this this button, and this has a type button, and it has an on click comment dot underscore ID. It gets the ID of the comment, and this is the class name. This is the trick here. So we have a text gray 400, we have a hover text blue 500, But dynamically, we do this. We say if your current user is active, and also the current comment.likes the comment.likes. The likes is the array list having the user IDs, and if it includes the current user's ID, what you're accessing, then what you have to do is you have to add the text blue to 500 to what? To the button. So basically the button turns into a text blue, and you made it important so that this would 100% work. So you see exclamation important. And this is telling me how it looks like in pure CSS, and this is my Tailwind CSS. That's a nice extension, but exactly like that. And then you can see that it reflects here accordingly and sees like the number of likes, it becomes like or likes. So everything is managed one by one, and when you click on it, it's one. Click on it, now it's liked. Go and log in with another account. So this is random post 2. Just remember this. Sign out, and when you sign out, you could actually view it, but you can't. It must be logged in to comment. So I would have to sign in. Continue with Google, and just quickly sign in. Now we go to that same path, same post. Okay, try to visit that. You can see that this post, we're logged in as Coding Cleverly. I could click on this. Now it turns into likes. You can see how nice that looks like. And I'm an actual admin as well, so now I have the ability to edit and delete. But if I'm just a normal user, I'm not an admin, I can't edit and delete. I could just add comments. So nice, insightful stuff. Okay, submit, and there's my comment as well. Looks good. A few seconds ago, and now we basically have this for the blog. This is our call to action, and goes through that. It looks good. We're finally done with that. We're finally done with this section as well. We have these nice little cards, and you could basically click on them and it could take you. That was the first one. So that, and then these cards are there. So that's how nice it looks like. They're also responsive. This is the key element here. That they're like this, and they're like that. So super cool, super awesome. Now we can move on to the next parts of this application, where we have to add a comment section dashboard. So over here we have over here we need another option where now not just the admins, right, but and not just the post, but you also want to have a table. Remember, this is just the post that I created with this account. Now I want another table where we could actually view all the comments inside this application, and that is exclusive for only admins.